Hello everyone, myself Chonnada Prem Kumar, currently pursuing BTech Computer Science and Engineering in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I will be explaining some key JavaScript concepts, objects, functions, this keyword, variables declarations like var versus let versus const, and JavaScript modules with examples. Let's get started. Firstly, let's move with objects in JavaScript. Objects are collections of key value pairs where keys are strings or symbols and values can be anything like numbers, strings, arrays, other objects or even functions. Here we created an object like let person equal to some key value pairs like pname John, age 25, hobbies reading, coding, and created an inner object address with key value pairs city Delhi, code 10001, and added a function or method greet and printed hello my name is, and here we can access the properties of the object by using console.log person.pname. We can access with dot notation, and we can also access this using bracket notation like console.log person of age, and we can call the method by person.method greet, and we can update the property of the object like person.age is equal to 26, and we can add new property to the object person like person.country equal to India. It supports nested objects like address in this. It is the nested object can contain methods function inside object. Here the greet function is inside this person object. It is flexible and dynamic. Let's see how it works. Here we can see it shows John as we written console.log person.pname and 25 per person age, and hello my name is John as we called the method in the object. And next let's move to functions. Functions are blocks of reusable code that perform specific tasks, and the importance of functions is they help in reusability, modularity, and better code organization. Here are the ways to declare functions. Here we declare the function say hello and printed hello console.log hello, and the function using expression const greet equal to function of name, and we printed hi name console.log hi name, and by using arrow function const add equal to a comma b arrow a plus b, and we call the say hello function greet, and we give an argument John and console.log add 2, 3. Let's check. Here we can see hello is hello hi John 5 is the output. We call say hello function it shows hello and greet John, and it prints hi John. And console.log add 2,3, it's add 2 numbers and it printed 5. And let's move to this keyword. We can use this keyword like this by creating an object, const object equal to object name John, in regular function console.log this.oname, and in arrow function console.log this.oname. We are calling the regular function by using dot notation and arrow function. Let's see how it works. Here it shows John for the regular function and undefined for arrow function. This works. This refers to the object. It works for the regular function, but arrow functions don't bind this, hence it shows undefined for arrow functions. Let's move to variable declarations. The difference between var, let and const. The scope of var is function scoped, and let and const scope is block scoped. And for var, redeclaration is allowed, and for let and const, redeclaration is not allowed. Hoisting. For var, hoisted initialized with undefined. For let and const, hoisted, but it has no default value. Reassignment is allowed for var, but reassignment is not allowed for const. Reassignment is also allowed for let. For example, we can see here in the if block we have created 3 variables using var, let, const, and printed a console.log a, and console.log bc gives error because these two are let, const, these two are block scoped. It can be accessed inside this block only. It can't be accessed out of this block. But var is function scoped, not block scoped. So it works. Let's see. Here we can see 10 is printed. Next we can move to JavaScript modules. Here we can see the definition for modules is modules allows us to split our code into separate files, making it easier to maintain. Here we export const pi value 3.14 and export function a, b for addition. It returns a plus b. And we created another file modules2, and we import pi add from the before JavaScript file, that is module1, and we printed console.log pi and add 2,3. For this we need to create an HTML file like this, and in script tag we have to write type equal to module and the source module2.js. If we run, it will print the pi value 3.14 by importing from the module1 file, and it prints 5 by importing from the function from the module1. Use export to make code available to other files. Use import to bring in code from other modules. It helps code organized and reusable. In this video, we explore JavaScript objects, functions, this keyword, and variable declarations like var, let, const, and its differences, and modules with examples. These concepts are essential for building modern web applications. Thank you for watching.